Hello everyone and welcome to another poster tutorial. So today it's going to be like a quick one, and it's inspired by Joko Willick, which is like just a word that she says when everything happens, just says good, and it's really inspiring though. I really recommend to learn more about Joko Willick. So let's jump into Illustrator. Just a start. So to start, let's just write good, and then just scale it up a little bit. Okay, if Illustrator lets us to do it, and then let's just choose, I think I use Studio Vexen font for this exercise, and then let's just scale it a little bit up, a little bit more. Let's go to Object and Expand. Let's just expand this font, and cool, let's just change the color to white. And let's go to Effects and 3D Materials, 3D Classic, Extrude and Bevel. Let's just change this to isometric top. Let's just rotate this a little bit, so actually facing another direction. Maybe I will increase a little bit this depth here, just for like 80. Maybe it'll be alright. Let's just scale this up a little bit. Perfect, I'm happy with this. Let's go to Object and Expand Appearance. Let's right click, ungroup it, and just detach the letters. Let's just select all the letters and press D to reset to black and white. So we're gonna leave it, actually we're gonna leave it just like this. I actually like, for this exercise, I actually like these lines to be, to have the extra lines, which looks really nice. So let's just bring this into front. Let's just try to make a nice composition with these elements now. Same thing here, bring it to the front, and then same thing with the D. We just want to be sure we actually can still read it, what is behind. We want to make it like not too abstract, if you know like what I mean. And let's just scale this up a little bit. No, not too much, I think it was too much. And let's just scale this like this. And let's hold Alt and Shift and make a copy. Just like this, so it actually repeats itself there again. We can actually move this a little bit if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, which is cool. As long as you can actually read it, that's the main objective of a poster. It needs to pass a message, so you don't want it to be too abstract and just be a beautiful piece of art. So let's just get the colors. I'm gonna use the colors from the example I showed you. Just gonna paste them in this artboard right now. Here, if you want just like pause the video, take a screen grab and use the same colors, please feel free. Actually apply G will be yellow. Cool, and the O's are actually this nice blue purple thing. Let's just select these two together. And the D's are green. I think the stroke is a little bit thicker on this one. Let's just reduce it to 1. Let's just have a look. Yeah, let's just see how it works with the background. Let's make a new layer here. Drag it to the bottom. Let's make a new rectangle tool here. Let's make a nice rectangle for the background. Select it, change the color to this really nice salmon color. Don't need these colors anymore. Just select the letters, group them together so I can actually scale them easily. And the background, I do think actually I'm gonna go back to maybe 1.5 stroke. I was thinking like the 2 points was actually a little bit too thick, so I'm just going to leave it as 1.5. I think 1.5 works really well. And great, so I think this is pretty much it visually. And also, before I forget, we need to give credit to this amazing word. Not that he created the word, but the way he uses it's amazing and so inspiring. Yeah, this is like from a series, like not a motivational, like words of wisdom series poster. Joko Willick. And I'm actually going to try to use like the quotes I actually like the most and inspire me the most to actually make these posters and share with you, because then like you actually maybe you get inspired and also learn how to do something cool. And like change the colors to white here. Perfect. And then let's match it in the same perspective. Let's go to Effects, 3D and Materials, 3D Classic, Rotate. Let's just change to isometric right. Maybe, I don't know, isometric left, like this. Let's just scale it down, maybe. Yeah, let's just zoom in. Be sure actually we are able to to scale it up or down, which is okay. Let's just try to make this like this. Joko Willik. And yeah, I think let's just expand it as well. We don't need to change the name. I think the name is right. And yeah, this is it. It was a pretty quick poster today. I hope you enjoyed. It's a really cool technique, and it's a really cool exercise, and it's a really good inspiration word from Joko. So yeah, thank you so much for being here today. I know this was a quick one. Actually, I was in a bit of a rush, so I could not actually spend much time planning like a big one, but actually I want to do this like 30 days, uploading every day. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed anyway. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And again, like, subscribe, share it with your friends and colleagues and family, maybe. And have fun designing. And please, if you design this poster, don't forget to tag me where you share this. And join I made a, Discord channel group thing. So join me there. It'll be nice to actually meet people, actually have a chat and, talk about cool things. And actually we'll be sharing my working files there. So yeah, I hope I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.